Hey man, say man, it's your boy Michael on Viral back again with a new video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today. Today I'm gonna teach you how I get my hair. Pretty simple. I think it's gonna be a short video, but what I usually do is I get my hair in a braid, and I'm so blessed that my mom's able to braid my hair. So what she does is put it in a plot or either box braid. Oh, and I forgot to take out this one. But yeah, just put your hair in a braid, and if you want to, I'll put you on the best products. So what I usually get is this one. It's called Pink Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion, and bro, it's amazing. It's the one I use the most, and it's like $10 for like a really big one, and like you can really use a lot of it. That's what you usually have to do, especially like when your hair is like super long. So if you use a lot, it's kind of good. And I really don't have like any bathing techniques where I take a shower. Mostly I usually just keep it in the braid. When I take it out, it looks kind of foy. And you know, it looks like a really good afro. I did blow it out, so that's why my hair looks kind of straight. It would be way more curly and probably a lot shorter. And I think the reason that my hair is able to be so curly is my dad is like a light skin, or like mixed basically. So that's where I get my curliness in my hair from. So I'm just blessed like that. I'm just like that, I guess. But I really don't have any techniques or special techniques at all. But keeping your hair in a braid and just using oil, I don't know what works best for you, but using this one works best for me. So I suggest you use it. And I guess it's the end of the video. Peace.